Okay, let's have more example sa negative exponent law. So we have here x raised to the power of 5 tsaka y raised to the power of negative 4 z squared over x raised to the power of we'll have another example like that later. A raised to the power of 2, b raised to the power of negative 3, okay, negative 3, tsaka that's all. Okay, let's try. I-check muna natin sa horizontal. Ano nga yung horizontal? Product rule, 'di ba? Kung may parehas ba na term, na variable. So x wala, y, z, so simplified na 'yan. How about denominator? Wala rin. Vertical, wala ring parehas, so we cannot simplify that one. Ang masisimplify na lang natin ngayon is yung negative. So anong gagawin dito? Again na, yung base lang ng negative yung ililipat natin, hindi yung lahat ng term. So we have, for example here, magsisimula tayo sa numerator. Iisa-isahin natin ang base niyan. So x raised to the power of 5. Ang exponent ba na 5 negative? Hindi. Dahil hindi yan negative, ipabilin. So nabutang makita man siya sa numerator, magpabilin po ng numerator. Again, wala tayo i-minus, wala po tayo i-add. Kaya walay parehas din ni horizontal, wala po i-minus, kaya walay parehas sa vertical. Okay? Next, we have y raised to the power of negative 4. Ngayon, naging negative siya. No? So, we have here, kasi negative, sabi doon, ililipat. Yung expression na yan, yung kasamang kanyang base, ililipat mo para maging positive. So, magiging y raised to the power of 4. So, from numerator, naging denominator na. Kasi negative siya. Okay, continue muna tayo sa numerator sa question. So, you have z raised to the power of 2, no? Positive 2. Kasi positive yan, hindi natin yan gagalawin. Kung numerator, isusulat pa rin natin yan sa numerator. Ngayon, punta tayo sa denominator. A raised to the power of 2. Ililipat ba natin to sa denominator? Or hindi? Correct, no? Hindi natin yan ililipat. So, we have A raised to the power of 2. Okay, again, a raised to the power of 2. Next, b raised to the power of negative 3. Ililipat ba natin yan? Kasi reciprocate. Again, negative yan. Di ba sabi dito sa rule, reciprocate. Kung makita siya sa denominator na negative, himua og numerator. And the other hand, kung makita po siya sa numerator na negative, himua og denominator. So in this case, original problem niya is b raised to the power of negative 3. So in other words, we need to reciprocate this one. So from numerator, from denominator, magiging numerator. Isusulat natin to sa itaas. We have b raised to the power of 3. Okay? So actually, it is already accepted, but we can rearrange this one. Diba sabi ko na pagkatapos niyan, i-arrange natin alphabetically. So, sa tatlong to, saan ba, again tama na to. We just need to rearrange kasi hindi siya alphabetical. So, alin dyan ang nauuna sa English alphabet? So, obviously, no, we have B. Kung nasa nag-rearrange lang tayo nito. X,